Welcome to Clark Middle School. From the moment you step onto our campus, you're going to be invited into the Cougar family. We want our students to have a growth mindset, to have a focus on academic excellence, and to value the strong relationships that we build within our campus.
I like being a student at Clark Middle School because it offers so many classes and subjects with collaborative learning.
The teachers are very welcoming, and if you need help with something, they always make sure that you can get that help.
Everybody's welcome in our school, and Clark is just the best place to be, the best place that everyone can thrive in.
My teachers really pay attention to detail, and they really elaborate on the work they give us, and they take time to evaluate every student and make sure they get their work done and completed.
Clark gives you a lot of future-ready skills and collaborating ideas with a lot of students.
It's a place where you can feel supported and where everybody wants the very best for the kids, and that's why I'm here.
I think for future families coming to Clark, one thing to always know is that your teachers are here to see your kids be successful. And we want to make sure that they feel like they have the tools that they need to thrive.
If you're looking for a school that invests in students' academic success and helps them discover their passions, whether it's in fine arts, STEM, general academics, or athletics, Clark is the place for them.